Stumbling around your house at night is a pain without lights. Today we're going to install some lights. Don't even need an electrician. Bonus. These LED motion sensor lights are made by On4U. It's a pack of 4 off of Amazon, and the crazy thing is 4 of them for under 60 bucks, which is amazing. They light up to 200 square feet. The sensor senses any movement, any heat movement up to 33 feet out. And it has up to 6,000 lumen capability, which is crazy cool. The lights have a massive amount of movement capability on them. The center one pivots up and down. The side ones though, they pivot back and forth and up and down, so you can get all kinds of areas that you can hit with the light with no problems. Having the flexibility in the lights is a great thing, because when you mount this unit on the wall, it gives you ability to go ahead, let's say it's like this, you can actually turn this light around the corner at a 90-degree angle and shine it off a different direction and get the full charge from the sun. Let's go install them. This is how easy it is. This is the mounting bracket. It requires 3 screws. When that's mounted against the wall this way and the bottom flange is down, you just pop the light on and that's it. All right, we got the bracket mounted. I used the provided screws from the company, and so now we'll just pop on the lights. So here's the flexibility that you get out of this unit. You can rotate the lights to shine where you want, if you want to open up the area or if you want to close it into a certain area, just like that. But it gives you a lot of options. And then you want to position the sensor out the center of it so it's as far out as you want it to go. On the back side of the center unit, there's an on-off switch. There's no other setting for it. It's just on or off. And then once that's on, you click on, that will charge up today, and tonight it'll be ready to go. All right, you can see how well it lights up this area at night. And it was such a great price on these, and you get 4 in a package. You can put them on multiple locations, which is totally cool. You don't need an electrician. That's the great thing about it. Anybody can do it. This is a true DIY, out-of-the-box project. All right, thank you so much for watching DIY on the House. If you have any questions or comments, happy to answer them for you. The link will be down below on our channel, and thanks for watching.